Woo! What's up, YouTube? Old Toppy. Gonna show y'all the old truck. You can see one little ding right there. Some can. She's pretty nice. Got her done pretty much. Oh, still like my light bar up top, and some new wheels. I had some different ones on here. They didn't work out too good. 14 wides. They look good, but they just wouldn't work out. Oh, Chevrolet. Like I say, it ain't no showroom job. This is Toppy's truck. But it looks good. Looks real good. It's a 89 Chevrolet pickup. It's got 179,000 actual miles. Looks like all new tires, suspension work. It's got the 5.7 350 in it. Like I say, 6-inch lift. It's my old everyday driver. I just wanted to paint it. It had a turd paint job on it. I just wanted to paint it and make it look better. But there she is, boys and girls. Old Toppy ain't heard from y'all boys in a long time, but like I say, I was gonna show you my old truck. That's old Toppy's personal everyday driver right there. Needs a good cleaning, but it's decently clean, I guess. Woo! Y'all have a good one, man. Maybe we'll get y'all some shooting videos for long. The 89 Chevrolet and Toppy, we out.